Yeah. It seems like the world is testing me. Will I conquer or will it get the best of me? Half of the world sees success in me, the other half is second guessing me. But I kid you not, don't mess with me, cause I think I got something possessing me. No matter what, I'm gonna give what's left of me. I didn't choose this life, it was destiny. Now I'm feeling like I might go psycho. Stand back cause I'm feeling like I might blow. Slim chance but I'm putting up a fight though. They tell me just the wrong path but I know it's right though. Let's pick up the world and shake it. Throw it to the ground and laugh as I break it. Let the whole world know that I'ma make it. And if you don't give it to me then I'm gonna take it. Beast mode, I'm in beast mode. Gunning for the top, cock back, reload. I'm a new man with a new attitude, but don't get me wrong, I'm still me though. I'm all in now, I ain't bluffing. I risk everything, regret nothing. My determination's disgusting, so every day my ass I'm busting. Let me take it back, break it down. Just a couple more months, then college bound. Got a scholarship, my bags were packed, and my world turned upside down when I got that phone call, so shocking. I thought my heart was stopping. Are you serious? There's a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity knocking. But wait, what now? Thought I had my whole life figured out. Everything I was once sure about was now skepticism and doubt. Almost lost control, lost sanity. Meanwhile, my friends abandoned me. I felt lost in the world for a little bit. Had nobody but my family, but I bounced back and got in the zone. Late nights, just me and the microphone. My friends were off at college while I was right here sitting at home. They were partying, I was cutting tracks. They were going out, I was making stacks. It's the road I chose, so you know I'm gonna walk here proud of you, never look back. Now, fast forward a couple years, most of my fears have disappeared. After the blood, the sweat, and tears, I dedicate this right here to all my non-believers and haters. Y'all doing me nothing but favors. Keep talking, I can't hear you. Someone go get me a translator. It used to get to me, to the old me. Think you could do better than show me. Those who know me least have the most to say. Don't judge me if you don't know me. Whether I'm a billionaire, flat broke, you think that matters? Is that a joke? If you ain't got talent, you really think money will get you anywhere? Nope. Or you wanna play music Monopoly? I've mastered the game, no tapping me. Taking over the world, what I'm money adds up. I'm just passing go, there's no stopping me. I work so hard, I earned it. It's mine now and I'll never return it. I'ma do it so damn big. Every day my fans confirm it. So blast off, I'm out of here. Out of this world to the atmosphere, so long, I'm gone. Been a hell of a ride, what a year, it's just the start. The beginning, the top of the very first inning. No need for a call to the bullpen, bottom of the ninth and I'll still be winning. What I went through, it was worth it all. All the times being pinned up against the wall, trying to please my family, friends and fans. When it's all said and done, after all I gotta do what's right for me. I gotta chase after this dream. I'm so proud of us, how far we came, me and my whole damn team. God, I'm just doing my best. For real, I feel so blessed. I think somebody's watching over me. Tell me, world, did I pass your test? Did I do this right? Please tell me. I need you now, please help me. Cause life don't come with no manual. I played the cards that you dealt me. My life is on the line every time I rhyme. Always on my grind 24/7. So much on my mind. Someone please remind me that I'll be fine. Wear my head into the fans, my life I owe you. So close to my heart, I hold you. But to anyone who ever thought of doubting me, I'm so proud to say that I told you.
Yeah, this is my story, my struggle, my bittersweet symphony, my pain. Check it. Food getting lower, money coming slower. Damn landlord keep bitching cause you owe her. I'm too afraid to grow up. I pray to God I blow up and roll up with something foreign where the front doors go up. I wonder if my peers can hear my prayers. Only nigga got me scared is the man upstairs. With my back against the wall, I'ma face my fears. I swallow my pride before I swallow a tear. Cause I be going hard, Stevie on his job. I'm praying to something happen, the man surrender God. These walls got me scarred. I tried so hard to survive. Guess just the price we gotta strive. And then I hit the stage and gone and blaze. Everybody know my name, the song I sing. I rejoice my pain and they doing the same. And the haters gon' hate, I'm just doing my thing. Got my bad bitch with me and she so dangy. She says she love ASAP cause we so tangy. We living life fast so I feel like kids. And I'm blowing up fast so I feel like big. With the Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Now we doing deals with the major businesses. Get a little change, niggas feel a little strange. Uh-oh, truck flow, proof in the range. Niggas say I changed, but I'm living it up. Shit, money ain't changed, you ain't getting enough. Fuck cop in the car, I'm trying to fly to the stars. Smooth on the moon, I'm mobbing the Mars. Niggas say I'm ill, y'all ain't telling me shit. Nights that we cried, y'all ain't helping me with shit. Now money changed drastic, crew through gymnastic. Doors lift up and the roof through a backflip. Zooming through traffic, probably with a bad bitch slash actress. And we on the way to Saks Fifth. Life was so tragic, all of that was past tense. Now I'm living lavish, just gotta imagine. I shall die before I wake. Pray the Lord, so today as I lay me down to sleep. Pray the Lord, I rest in peace.